Hello everybody, I'm Alison from Sweet Succulents by Alison, and I thought I'd take the opportunity today, because we've got such a ghastly revolting day outside here in Bombay in New Zealand. I thought I'd take this opportunity to make up my molasses mix, and it's very simple, very straightforward. Boil the kettle, grab your molasses, grab your 1 tablespoon and take out 1 tablespoon of molasses and pop it in a Pyrex jug. Pour over some hot water to heat up the spoon so you can get out your next spoonful of molasses, and that it will come off quite easily. So the recipe, if you remember, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid, and 3 litres of water. Simple, easy peasy. So wipe that off and add some cold water to that, and then tip that into your 3 litre milk bottle that you're recycling, not just throwing out into the bin. And measure out 1 and then 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. I use this Morning Fresh. I think it just is used to help the molasses stick to the leaves. Now, if you want to, you can make this up into a 5 litre bottle and take it out into the veggie garden and spray it all over your parsley and all over your mint and all over your beans and whatever. Doesn't really matter. Over your, I've even put it on my lemon tree before. I had the best lemons that year. And this, and just add a little, actually you might just give it a little bit of a, not a vigorous shake, just a little bit of a tip over to mix the dishwashing liquid in with the molasses. Okay, then I'm just going to fill it up to the top with a bit more cold water. And that's as easy as it is. Pop your lid on, mark your bottle as to what's in it, 2, 2, 3, and then you pop it in your spray bottle, which you've also marked. Can you see that? And then just go out and spray it on your plants. And I've got all my succulents in my greenhouse, and so on a calm day I'll take one out and spray it thoroughly with my molasses mix, and I have the healthiest succulents that I've ever had because I'm using this. So good luck with that. Actually, you won't need luck because I've been using it for 10 years now and it works. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.